Hey guys, in this video, I'll tell you about Ko-Fi versus Buy Me a Coffee. Alright, let's begin. First of all, Ko-Fi is a platform designed to help creators, artists, and influencers receive financial support from their audience. It allows creators to receive small payments, often referred to as Ko-Fis, from their supporters. This system is simple, with no mandatory fees taken from donations. Artists and freelancers can use Ko-Fi to accept commissions directly from their fans or clients, streamlining the process of offering personalized services. Also, the basic Ko-Fi service doesn't change platform fees for tips or donations. However, fees apply to certain advanced features or payment processing through PayPal or Stripe. On the other hand, Buy Me a Coffee is a platform designed to help creators receive support from their audience through one-time donations, memberships, and sales. It's similar to Ko-Fi, but with a few distinctive features. It offers built-in membership options, allowing creators to offer exclusive content and benefits to their supporters. Creators can personalize their pages with branding elements and integrate them with other tools and platforms. Buy Me a Coffee is a solid choice for creators looking for an easy-to-use platform with strong membership and engagement features. But if you prioritize low fees and customization, Ko-Fi might be better. So that's basically all about Ko-Fi versus Buy Me a Coffee. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.